The children, and of course, from the NCC, Prashant sir, Liman. I think today is a very special day because having an NCC has been the dream of BM School ever since the high school started in the year 1995. When the school started in 58, it was the primary school at the time. 1995 we started the high school, the state board high school, and the first thing we did was we applied for an NCC in 1995. Very promptly, the NCC officials came and they said, we appreciate your enthusiasm in NCC, but in the state board, you don't have a ground. And what is needed for NCC is a ground to have parades and all these things. So kindly hold on till you become eligible with a ground. So the matter was closed then. In 2003-04, when we started this school, even before applying for affiliation from the council, we applied for NCC. And here again, I was told, I believe so, and I think it is true, that the most prestigious wing among all the wings in NCC is the air wing. And I was told in the senior, even in the junior, cadets get an opportunity to fly microlights, which is something not everybody can get. So the first thing we did was we applied for an NCC air wing. And we didn't know that it is a long process. We were satisfying all the criteria required for the NCC, but then there was a waiting list. And we waited in the list for more than 10 years. In the meantime, as you know, the state board had a joint NCC with the RBNMs there, but it was not a BMS NCC. But many of our students did have an experience to participate in parades of the NCC Air Wing in collaboration with the RBNM's NCC. But finally, last year, we got our own NCC Air Wing. But that was only half the journey traveled because last year the inauguration, the parades, the training sessions, the camps and the evaluation were all online in Zoom. So today, we are getting the real experience of an NCC. And as you all know, students, this is a combined squad of State Board and ICSE. We got students from the State Board and students from ICSE who will be in this squad. As per the mandatory requirements of the NCC Directorate, 33% of the squad is, at least 33% of the squad is to be consisting of girls. And that's how we have a lot of girls also here. So this will be a combined squad. We will be having parades and training. As of now, we will be having it every Saturday. Mr. Manjunath, your sports master from the state board, is your NCC officer, and very shortly he will be undergoing NCC training and he will be the ANO here. Till such time, we have got our, what do you call it, abbreviation? I forgot. No, names are not. Cadet officers, was it?
Associate NCC officer.
Associate NCC officers or from St. Joseph's College. They have also participated in the Republic Day Parade. We have got Chirag and we have got Elizabeth. So they will be taking care of your parades. I'm sure you will definitely have a very, very memorable time with the NCC because I can very confidently say that I was one of the very few schools, both in the state board as well as the ICSE, to have an NCC air wing. And we are really proud of that. And I really congratulate all of you for having chosen this enriching, exciting and challenging NCC. And I'm sure you will enjoy. It's a 2-year course. NCC is a 2-year course. Those of you who have completed the 1 year virtually also will continue to do the second year in the real mode. And I'm sure you will really enjoy this. There will be camps, there will be get-togethers. Apart from the regular parades, there will be camps, there will be get-togethers. You'll also have a chance to fly microlights from the Jakkur airspace, and it's going to be a really exciting journey. So, wish you all the very best. Thank you.
First of all, I'm really honored to be invited to this school. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And myself, I'm Cadet Under Officer Chirag Sagar. And I was a part of Rajpath Contingent 2020, the cadet. I was in Delhi. I was in Delhi 2020. And I was a part of the whole contingent. And as far as NCC is really a great opportunity for anybody to learn more. And as far as Airwing NCC gives you a lot of courage, lot of information about services, armed forces, and many other things. And you should be really honored and grateful to be a part of Ankar Air Squadron, because this is the only squadron in the whole Bangalore where you can go and fly in microlight, which no other squadron in the whole Bangalore gives you. And NCC is really a really good opportunity for anybody to take part in. And whenever you come out as a cadet, please make sure that you are the best and you can do it. Whenever possible, make sure that you grind yourself, that you will be best and you will give the best outcome to the college, and you make your parents, your teachers, your school very proud. And the moment when you get the opportunity to go for camps, to go for flying, and all the other opportunities, just grab all the opportunities and go there, give your best. When you think yourself that you are the best and you can do it, you can achieve a lot of milestones. And as far as my college, I'm from St. Joseph's College. Every year there is at least two cadets who go for RTC, who come back with achievements, and in the end, it's honored for me and my juniors to see those cadets performing well, achieving a lot. So I'm looking forward for you guys to go there, go for camps, achieve, and come back. Thank you all. Always think that you are the best and you can do it. You can do it. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries on dais, respected teachers and dear cadets, a very warm good afternoon to you all. So, you are no more addressed as students, boys or girls, you are cadets. So when I call cadets, everyone are looking at each other. Who is she addressing? So, you are no more students, girls or guys, you are cadets. So, to begin with, I should give a big shout out to a few people, that is firstly the management. So this is a very great step you have taken forward, because out of all these odds, and sir was telling about what he faced to bring NCC in this college, I really appreciate the josh and interest you put forward. And when I entered, I was telling to my senior, he is my senior, Chirag sir. So I was telling everywhere, in every college and school, when they decide to take NCC, they first go for armed squadron, NCC armed. You know that khaki dress? So that is armed squadron. Here I'm seeing for the first time someone chooses for air squadron. So I was very happy, and I can assure you this is the best thing you have done for your students. So because this is a very great platform to mold youngsters to become good citizens. And as you know, NCC is second line of defense of the whole nation. So first line of defense is Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. And the second line of defense is NCC. NCC also have armored, that is armored will have infantry, signals, does that. Air wing will have, as told, this is flying branch. Ankar Air Squadron is one of the premier NCC squadrons all over Karnataka, Goa and even in India. And this is flying branch, and there is mechanical branch also in Mysore and Bangalore. Mysore and Mangalore and even Bangalore. There is naval also. In Bangalore A group there is naval, and even in Goa. So I would like to appreciate that. And secondly, I would like to appreciate all of you who chose to be an NCC cadet. I don't know whether you know what is it, whether you know the seriousness of the decision you have taken, whether you know what a great thing you're going to do in your life as an NCC cadet. But the decision you have taken, that is one of the best decisions, and you will never regret in your whole life for that. So I come from a village in Kerala. So I was very much a fighter pilot to my parents, and then just because I was very weak in science and physics, I chose to be in commerce. And I loved the way NCC cadets in my school used to dress up, their discipline, their chatti, their obedience, everything. Okay, their enthusiasm. So in my school days, in villages in Kerala, they are afraid of sending girls to NCC because they have never seen lady officers in uniform. They've always seen men, and in villages it's pretty different. So they never wanted me to be in NCC. But when it came to my college, the first thing I checked in the website of the college was whether there is NCC. And then I applied for both Ahmad and Irving. And I told my parents that I'm going to join NCC. They were like, okay, it's your wish, you can go ahead. So, so I decided to join NCC here. I came to know the opportunities. Even though I selected commerce, there is wide opportunities in Indian Air Force apart from flying branch. So when I joined NCC Irving, I saw what a wonderful decision I took. Because as a girl, to be in that uniform, to lead a contingent, it's not about the uniform, it's not about the parade, it's about your life outside, in college. I saw the respect my co-cadets or my fellow classmates, my teachers give to an NCC cadet in college. Because when it comes to St. Joseph's College, when it comes to events, it is completely given to NCC cadets. Cadets will maintain the discipline, cadets will ensure the security, and even teachers will obey the cadets. Ma'am, not there, it's here. Okay, fine. They'll, because that is the vibe we give. That is the discipline we show even out of our uniform. So what I would like to tell you is, so once a cadet is always a cadet. That is what Sir told when we came inside the office, we were discussing. So don't think that NCC is all about drill and march past, as Sir told. So I guess some of you have finished already 1 year of NCC, even though it was online. So can you tell me what is the motto of NCC? Completely fine. It's unity and discipline. Unity and discipline. So I'd like to tell you one thing, that even if you are in your uniform, even if you are in your school uniform, even if you are in casuals, the people, even if you are in your school uniform, even if you are in casuals, the people who see you, the people who observe you, the people who find you anywhere in the ground, in the veranda, in the washroom, outside in the street, should be able to recognize you as a cadet. How will that happen? Yeah. When you do something, do it in the best way. Tell. If you are telling something, shout out, tell. Discipline. The discipline, the character, the way you carry yourselves, always head high, and then always take initiatives, and always be truthful, be honest. If you haven't done the homework, tell, ma'am, I haven't done the homework. Sorry, and I will not repeat this. And be ready to take the consequences of whatever you do. Okay, whatever you do. So, everyone should tell, there is something different in this girl. There is something different in this guy. Are you an NCC cadet? They should ask you. That is the way you should carry yourselves wherever you go. And always be courageous. Like, I already appreciated the courage of the management. Out of all these odds, they decided to give the best to their students. Same way, be courageous enough everywhere. Be courageous to take initiative. Sir, I'll do. Ma'am, I'll do. If you see something, okay, if you see some waste particles in your veranda, nobody, okay, I still remember, I was not an NCC cadet in my school, But then I always had that little bit of enthusiasm in me. So there was one rat, it was dead and it was lying on the veranda in my school. And all the girls and guys, they walked like this. They saw the rat, they walked like this, walked away. So what I did, I took a leaf, I took the rat, threw it away. So everyone was watching me like this girl, what is wrong with her? But then, see, you should be able to see your responsibility wherever you go. Okay, not as a cadet, as a citizen, you go to a classroom, you find something different, you find something inappropriate, take the initiative, go make it right. Even in society, when you come out, when you finish your schooling, when you go to your college, you finish your studies, as a citizen, when you come out, the world needs people like that, who recognizes their responsibilities wherever they go. So they will be supportive, and the teachers will be supportive. No worries. It is cool. You will be able to manage your studies and your NCC. So that is where the talent, real talent. That is where you are going to see what life is. So be ready to manage your studies, your family, your health, and your NCC. And whenever maybe after parades you go back very much like burned out, your parents will be like, what is this happening? Your health does that. Beta, don't do this. If you want, you come out. Tell, no pa, no, I'm not ready to give up. I'll give my best. You see this? So this is not much, but then I had my firing practices continuously. So every day I got 50 rounds. 50 rounds means 50 bullets each every day. So it's not that, according to my weight, it's not that easy to handle a rifle and hold it for hours aiming on the same aim. So it started paining. But then I never let my parents know what is happening with me. I'm staying in hostel. So I never let my parents know what is my health condition, nothing. They just know that I'm an NCC cadet. And then they just saw me getting pipping. Pipped means you get a rank. So this August 15, I got a rank as CSCO. So there, in the absence of my parents, they were announcing. So Cadet Senior Under Officer Elizabeth Kuriakos, Daughter of Kuriakos MD, Jasmine Kuriakos, that whole video, I sent it to them. Until then, they didn't know what NCC is. They were sending it to all family groups. So they were so happy. Yeah, I'm telling you, your parents are going to be so proud of you. Once they see you going out of their house early morning, 6:30, 7 o'clock in uniform, and then coming back. So you are going to be molded as different. Your parents, after 2 years, I'll assure the teachers and your parents that you will be a different you. You will be someone very different from all others in your school. So and be ready to take up any hardships that come in your way. Yeah. Be alive. As your principal always tell, be human, and then be ready to enjoy your life. Again and again I'm telling you, you are going to witness something so different. You are going to be trained very wonderfully, and then yes, Baki you will come to know later. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind Cadets.